Greetings, Spartans. The purpose of this video is how to demonstrate how to use Canva to create recorded lectures using any type of presentation or slide deck. When you log into Canva, the first thing you're going to see is this Magic Studio. If you have not created a Canva account, that may be the first thing you need to do. Basic Canva accounts are free, and you have the same operating features as a paid account. The paid account does give you a little more options for streaming, editing, and some types of recording with direct video. But for presentations, the options are free. You're going to select Upload. When they use the word presentation, they mean any type of slide deck that you have loaded onto your computer. Choose File, select the slide deck you want to use, and click Open. Once you've opened, go to your projects, and you will see that your slide deck is now loaded into your Canva shell. From here, you can edit your presentation, or you can go straight to recording. Go to Present, Present and Record. Your micro picture will appear in the bottom left-hand corner, as mine is doing here in my Loom demonstration. Select Next, and you're going to go to your recording studio. It's going to ask you to verify your microphone, that you look okay in your video, and of course, start recording. This is a demonstration on how to use Canva to create your lecture materials to load into Blackboard and Learning Management System. You can click through your slides, you can add your commentary, you can also add notes on the side if you choose. If your notes were already in your PowerPoint, they will appear on the right-hand side. Once you are done recording, you're going to hit End Recording. It's going to correlate. And once it's finished uploading your recording, it's going to ask you if you want to download. You're going to select Yes. It's currently going to download in an MP4 file directly to your downloads file on your computer that you're using. Once it has finished downloading, it then will be ready to upload into our Medial streaming system to load into the Blackboard Learning Management System. This was a very quick demonstration on how to use Canva for creating lecture materials from a slide deck. With additional questions, please come see us on the third floor of the library or the Office of Extended Learning. Thank you.